Namaskar. My name is Dr. Gajanan Shelke. I am working in the teaching field from last 24 years. Done the PhD from IIT Guwahati. So it's proud privilege to work in Sandeep Institute of Engineering and Management as a Dean Research and leading the research mission of SIEM. We are working on not only the development of the students but also the development of the faculty. Our students are given exposure with the industry institute collaborations. They are working on the live problems of the industries. They get the exposure how to work in the industry live problems. They learn from that a lot and prepare themselves for the future. So the students are participating in various activities. Our faculties are taking hard efforts to develop them in the technical fields in technical manner, and they are participating in the activities like organized by the AICT. So for example, AICT Vishwakarma Award is there. Our students participated at national level. Not only they participated, but also they stood second. They got the prize with the auspicious hand of Honorable Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. So this is the great achievement. Students are trained for the entrepreneurship. So we have the entrepreneurship development cell, and under this cell, the training will be given to the students to entrepreneur their projects. We have the incubation cell also. So selected projects we are commercializing under this incubation cell. So in this way, student will be get facilitated with all these activities. The student getting exposure which will be nurture their dreams. We grow their minds, we enrich their minds, we show them the dreams and nurture with their dreams to develop them for their bright future. So these students are also participating in Smart India Hackathon. In Smart India Hackathon, various problems from the various fields. It may be agriculture, it may be industrial, whatsoever. So they are participating in that. So with that, they are developing themselves to have a startup, and with that startup, they can start their future. So in this way, we are growing the students. We are growing the students, we are nurturing with their dreams. At the same time, faculties are also contributing a lot. So they are fetch the grants in collaboration with various agencies like AICT, IST, AICT, IQAS, then SPPU, that is Pune University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, and not only this but in collaboration with ISRO and SPPU, the grants are fetched in our institute. The institute also giving the research grants, giving the seed money to the faculties to develop the new ideas, to develop the new projects, and to develop a new innovative culture. So through this only we had filed the around 95 patents and more than 45 are published. So faculties are organizing the various programs for the student development programs, through which the student will be get the platform and they will come up with their new ideas. Faculties are also trained. Institute is organizing various faculty development programs, as well as faculties are also organizing the faculty development program, short-term training program in collaboration with AICT, in collaboration with IST. For example, recently we had organized the Universal Value Development Program for the student induction. So it was sponsored by the AICT. At the same time, our electronic department had organized the program on Python. So this was also sponsored by the AICT. So renewable energy and its utilization. So such and many programs are organized for the faculty developments also. So our aim is to imbibe our students with innovative ideas and fulfill that ideas so that they will develop themselves for their bright future, for their bright career. We are not only making them able to get the good jobs, but we are making able to have a good startups so that they can start their industries, their companies, and they will be the self-dependent, and not only self-dependent but they will open the opportunities for the other students also. So this is the cycle of the development of the research, and not only the students but faculties also. So very much thank you. You are most welcome to the Sandeep Foundation, to the Sandeep Institute of Engineering and Management. Thank you very much.